Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a Nissan Altima's Bluetooth. First, make sure your mobile device's Bluetooth is active and set to discoverable. Next, locate and press the phone button on your Altima's audio system. From the displayed menu, choose the option to connect new device. This initiates the pairing process, allowing your car to search for your phone. It's a straightforward first step to enjoying hands-free communication and audio streaming. Once your Altima begins searching, your phone's name should appear on the car's display. Select your device from the list. Both your phone and the car will then show a pairing code. Verify that these codes match before confirming. You might also be asked to grant access for contacts and messages. Accepting this allows for full functionality, including hands-free calling and text message alerts. If you encounter issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the Altima's infotainment system often resolves minor glitches. Sometimes, deleting any old Bluetooth pairings from both your phone and the car, then starting fresh, can fix connection problems. Also, consult your phone's manual for any specific Bluetooth settings or compatibility notes that might be relevant. These steps usually help establish a stable connection. With your phone successfully connected, you can now enjoy seamless audio streaming of music and podcasts through your Altima's speakers. You can also make and receive hands-free calls, keeping your focus on the road for safer driving. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This integration makes every drive more convenient and entertaining.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.